Hello everyone, how are you? I am Akrash, your teacher here, and I will teach you different questions and their answers. So I welcome you on classtheta.com. So our today's question is,
What challenges would you encounter with the titration if you had used apple cider vinegar or balsamic vinegar as the analyte instead of distilled white vinegar? Explain your answer. The answer of the question is, if you used apple cider vinegar or balsamic vinegar as the analytic instead of distilled white vinegar, the titration process would present the following challenges. 1. Color interference. Both apple cider vinegar and balsamic vinegar have darker colors compared to the clear distilled white vinegar. This could make it difficult to accurately detect the color change of the indicator during titration, leading to errors in determining the endpoint. 2. Complex composition. Apple cider vinegar and balsamic vinegar contain additional compounds like sugars, organic acids, and phenolic compounds, which could interfere with the titration. These components might react with the titrant, leading to inaccurate results regarding the acetic acid concentration. 3. Inconsistent acidity. The acidity apple cider vinegar and balsamic vinegar can vary due to the presence of other acids like malic acid in addition to acetic acid. This would make it harder to isolate the acetic acid concentration specifically, as other acidic components may contribute to the titration result. 4. Buffering effects. The presence of other compounds can create buffering effects, making the pH change more gradual and harder to detect the endpoint precisely. These factors combined would increase the difficulty of obtaining accurate and reliable results compared to using distilled white vinegar, which is simpler and more straightforward in composition. So that's the correct answer of the question. If you have any question, just leave a comment. I will be answering you as soon as I can. Thank you very much for watching the video. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe our channel. Until next question, bye bye.